Hello and welcome. If you're tuning in today, it's probably because you're interested in finding smarter and more efficient ways to make your money work for you in 2025. I've been in the game of teaching passive income strategies for a long time now. And let me tell you, it's been an incredible journey watching how the landscape evolves. It's like aiming at a moving target, right? Just when you've nailed one approach, something new comes along. Be it technology, regulations, or shifts in the market, that changes everything. And let's be real here. Most guides out there either dive too deep into technical jargon that leaves you puzzled, or stay so vague that what they offer could apply to any time period. That's what prompted me to put together this guide, the one I truly wish I'd had when I first started out over a decade ago. This isn't just another list you can tick off. We're going to dig into the true mechanics behind passive income, the nuts and bolts, the psychology, the dynamics of the market, and the strategic thinking that sets successful passive income builders apart from the rest. We're going to start with the foundational concepts that don't change with time and build up to some advanced insights and strategies that can make a real difference in today's fast-paced financial world. Ready to dive in and explore some creative ways to make your money work for you? Let's start by getting clear on what passive income really means and what it doesn't. At its heart, passive income is money you earn without having to actively trade your time for it over and over again. It sounds perfect, doesn't it? But it's more complex than it sounds. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and I hate to burst that bubble, but it's true. Instead, it's about strategically building a steady cash flow that grows over time thanks to reinvestment and the appreciation of your investments. You've probably heard of rental properties and dividend stocks as classic examples, but the landscape in 2025 is much broader. The digital age has brought us new income streams that didn't exist just a few years ago, like NFT royalties and automated cryptocurrency staking rewards. I remember when I first got into real estate back in 2018. The idea of making money while I slept was thrilling, but managing tenants, dealing with repairs, and keeping up with property maintenance was a reality check. That's when it hit me. Passive doesn't mean no work. It means smart work, requiring upfront effort and often a capital investment. The most successful people I know treat passive income like building a machine. You put in the work to design and set it up. Then it just needs maintenance and optimization. This mindset is key to long-term success. So, what are the top options for passive income in 2025? Let's dive into some exciting and proven strategies. The financial world keeps changing rapidly, with new opportunities popping up and old ones evolving. We'll look at some techniques you might not have thought about yet, and also focus on strategies that had stood the test of time. First up, real estate crowdfunding. It's gained a lot of traction recently, offering a way to invest in real estate projects with smaller upfront costs. This method lets you diversify into property without the challenges of being a hands-on landlord. With a robust growth forecast, platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul are at the forefront, providing access to a once exclusive market segment. What's exciting is the chance to invest internationally, adding more diversification to your portfolio. Then we have dividend stocks. These are the classics, where companies share profits with shareholders as regular cash payments. In 2025, there's a growing focus on ESG investing, which means you can align your investments with your values. Interestingly, dividend strategies have outperformed the broader market this year, with high-yield sectors leading the way. The trick here is to look for companies with sustainable dividend growth, not just the highest current yields. Another option is peer-to-peer lending, a more sophisticated and higher-risk approach. Here, you become the bank, lending directly to individuals or small businesses for a return. This market is set for explosive growth, but it's important to understand the risks. like borrower defaults and economic downturns. If you're interested in diving deeper, there are plenty of resources available that detail how to manage these risks effectively. And let's talk about digital products. Creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or software can be a hugely scalable and profitable passive income source. Yes, it requires upfront effort to create high-quality content, but once it's up and running, it can generate revenue for years with minimal maintenance. The digital economy is booming, with massive consumer spending on digital media, signaling a big shift toward digital consumption. So there you have it, a range of strategies and insights to consider for your passive income journey in 2025. It's all about understanding the mechanics, putting in the work up front, and then enjoying the fruits of your labor as your income streams grow and evolve. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this inspires you to explore new paths in making your money work for you. Until next time, happy investing.